Hi, my name is Dave Hennessy with D. Hennessy Studios on YouTube. Today we're going to talk about the AARESCHLUCHT or Aares Gorge, which is found in Switzerland near Innerkirchen. It's a dramatic and picturesque gorge near Innerkirchen in the Bernese Oberland region of Switzerland. It's formed by the Aares River over thousands of years. Well, I'm not sure if they know exactly how long it took, but the gorge features towering limestone cliffs that rise up to 50 meters or 164 feet high, with some sections narrowing to just 1 meter or 3 feet wide. It's a great place to take your family. I'd go early or go in the evening. And actually, next time I go, I would like to go at night because they do have it lit, and I think that would be wonderful. Anyway, it's about 1.4 kilometers or 0.87 miles long, and it has a walkway on it. The network of safe wooden pathways and tunnels allow visitors to walk through the gorge and admire its beauty, well, of course. And it's got the crystal clear water, fast flowing water, moss covered rocks, etc. Blah blah blah. And it's open to visitors from spring to autumn, and you need to go and check on it. Now again, it's near Innerkirchen, so if you look at Innerkirchen and just go down the road just a little ways, at the first curve as it goes up over the mountain pass, that's where the gorge is, and you can enter it from both sides of the pass. You can go down or you can go up it. Either way, it's great. I guess it's some things that are nearby it are Grimson Pass and Suston Pass, and these are alpine routes. Reichenbach Falls is the famous falls as the fictional death site of Sherlock Holmes. Now that's interesting. I did not know that. That is interesting. I'd like to go see that, and I haven't seen it yet. And of course, Meiringen, which is a small Swiss town, and that's at one end of the gorge. So if you're in Meiringen, you just go to one end of it, and there's an entrance heading down through the mountain. So that's interesting. Historically, it was difficult to access, but local legends suggest it was known for centuries. In the 19th century, scientific interest in Switzerland's natural landscape grew, leading to increased exploration of the gorge. So apparently only local people went through it before. The first wooden walkways and tunnels were built in 1888, making the gorge accessible to visitors. Anyway, I encourage you all to go see it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.